All right, headed to Tagalalang, which is my 4th stay.
Are you traveling alone?
Yep, yes,
Oh.
by myself. Bali is Hindu, so no Christmas celebrations. Do some people celebrate Christmas? No Christmas. Oh. Do you celebrate New Year's?
Sorry?
New Year's?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay. And is it the same time as ours?
Yeah.
As January 1st?
January 1st. Yeah.
It's so quiet here. Okay, and this is where I'm staying. That is my villa. So, do you guys book it for us, or do I have to call them?
I must be the booking first.
Okay. What
This
to
one,
bring?
This one 1 million.
1 million
1
400.
million rupiahs, 1 million key.
I want to book it for tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So
Yes.
what time?
What time can I go?
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Maybe. 10 o'clock,
Yeah, let's do that. I was about to pick this up because I thought it was a piece of cloth, and it's actually a spider. I don't want to kill it. I just want it to be out of my room. I don't want to even leave because what if it disappears and I'm not going to be able to find it? Then I'm going to freak out. What do I do? Ah, it's moving. Okay, no. Don't go to the closet. Guys, what do I do? I have a spider. I don't know the spider. The spider looks like it's staring at me too. Like it has eyes behind its head. I think those are eyes behind its head. Okay, I blew it. As long as it's in the restroom, I'm okay. Maybe if I brush it. Here we go. That's what I'll do. I'll just brush it along. Oh, but then I have to take a shower later, and it's right there. Okay. It's fine for now. I am embracing nature for sure. Hey, buddy. Watch him turn around and like attack me or something. He's cute. He can stay with me. You can stay. I approve. I have never seen insects like this. They are long. Okay. Live your life, little worm. Okay, so I was about to use the toilet, but I noticed there's a little lizard back here. And this is part of nature, right? So, not gonna complain. We're good. Good morning. All right, this is my first morning at my 4th location. It is so peaceful outside. See how it feels. Huh. It's not that humid. It is humid, but not that humid. Not the way that it's been the entire time I've been here. Okay. Oh, I guess I have to open this lid. There we go. Coffee. Let's see what today brings. Wow, I forgot they had breakfast. Obviously, bed and breakfast, right? Ooh, that looks good.
Hello, sir.
I'm taking a picture of your food.
Oh yeah, sure.
Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, so nice. Hi, good morning. It's breakfast, sliced fruit, and toast. All right, so let's go.